What is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a clothing website on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, to create a clothing website on Squarespace, it's very simple. You just need to create a store, and you just need to add products which are actually clothing pieces to that store. Now, to create a store page, we just need to go into pages, and it should already have a store page over here, which I created by creating a product. I'll just delete that very quickly, and as you can see, it is now missing and it can't detect the URL, but we'll just click this plus, click on store, and then we can select which layout we would like. I will select this layout, and it's going to create a store with some test products, which I will promptly delete because I do not need them. So as you can see, now we're here in the test product, and I'm just going to delete all of them just by selecting them like this, and just click delete, and it should delete all of them. And there we go. Now we can go ahead and create a product. Now there are a couple of different ways you can do this. You can add a physical product and add, for example, hoodies, shirts, whatever you're selling as a physical product. Or if you're creating merch or custom merch, you can connect this store to Printful, which is integrated into Squarespace. So I'll just show you how to do that. If we go into custom merch, you'll see that you can connect to Printful. I am already connected, so I don't have the option to connect. But here you can pretty much just add products through Printful, and that will show them as your merch. Now, if you want to add your own physical product, you can go here to add a physical product. It'll open up the product editing page. You can add the details such as the name. I'll add this as a shirt, description shirt, because why not? And then here you can add images of your products so that people can see what you're selling. You can set the price. I'll set it to 15. I'll keep the stock unlimited for now. And you can also set up different categories, different tags. You can use different selling tools, as well as optimize your SEO and your search engine appearance in general. You can also edit the social share, and you can edit checkout forms. If you want a custom button, you can add a pre-order button if your merch still isn't for sale. But pretty much all in all, that's all you need to do. Just publish your product, and now when people search your store, they'll see this, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.